What if the greatest battle we face is not against each other? What if the greatest battle we face is not against each other? We're tired of shouting across the divide, tired of picking a righteous side. Every headline fuels the flame, different face, the same old game. But what if the war we're fighting was never out there at all? The last war is love, not louder, not tougher, not pushing enough. The fire's in me versus you. It's fear telling us what to do. Lay down the anger we're made of. The last war is love. Across every faith, across every faith, across every name, different stories, same beat and flame. Survival means nothing, nothing at all if the heart inside us falls. What if strength looks different now? What if courage is choosing how? The last war is love, not winning, not proving we're right above. The battle was never scared. It's the fear that grows within. Lay down the armor and gloves. The last war is love. Again and again and again we choose not to let compassion lose, not to vanish, not erase. Stand in power, stand in grace. The last war is love, not voice from the sky above. The noise is finally done. We'll see we were always one. Lay down the sword we're proud of. The last war is love. It was never meant to be won. It was meant to be ended. The last war is love.
The last war is love.